Well, hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gloria. You might be wondering, why am I in this place? Well, I'm taking you guys with me to Lake Mburo National Park. You're going to see a lot of animals with me. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. I love you guys so much. Let's do it. Bye. Well, I decided to show you guys my outfit of the day, but my brother was holding the camera, so that didn't go so well. This was the last road for us to get to the park, and now we are already here. That is the place that you go in for check-in and all that stuff, and that is my brother right there. He was so excited. He was living in the moment. We found this beautiful monkey right here. Fortunately, we had bananas. We gave it bananas and it just ran away. Then this other one came. It enjoyed the bananas until I decided to come closer, and I ruined the moment because it ran away. So we started on the journey to find the animals that we came for. That is the crested crane, also known as the grey-crowned crane. You can find the crested crane on the Ugandan flag, as well as the Uganda coat of arms flag. You can find it on with the cob, that is the female cob right there. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of cobs in this video. We landed on waterbucks. Oh my god, and they lovely, beautiful. They're so beautiful. The guide actually told us that waterbucks always graze in areas that are close to water. And then we saw baboons as well. They were going. I didn't get a chance to get closer, but yeah, at least I saw them. And then I saw zebras. Oh my god, my favorite animal is a zebra. When a zebra is still young, the stripes are always brown, and then when it grows, they become black. Actually, the guy told us that the stripes for every zebra are different. That's how the foal, which is a baby zebra, is able to identify its mother. Yeah, so I learned something new. More cobs. Those are male cobs. In fact, only male cobs are the ones with horns. Female cobs don't have horns. I love the fact that they have that black stripe somewhere. Like, I love their colors. They look so beautiful. Let's enjoy watching them. Then we found a buffalo. The guide told us that this is a loser. It lost the fight of fighting for the female. She said this makes it more dangerous actually. There are more waterbucks. Waterbucks are everywhere. Actually, we found more waterbucks and more cobs. She said as well that these are also losers. When they lose, then the male ones tend to stay alone. They don't go back. Sometimes they go back in the fight to fight for the females, and at other times they don't go back. She said they lose because sometimes they're old, naturally weak, very many reasons that I also forgot. And then that is Pumbaa. We are going to see Pumbaa ahead. When we reached this side, it was already raining, and we saw hippopotamus. There were two in the water, and we were so lucky that one was getting out of the water even though it was raining. We were lucky to see it get out of the water. It is huge, but it has the tiniest tail. It turned and it gave me the face, and I was like, yes, that's what I wanted. I wanted to see it. She said it doesn't just attack anyone, and when it's about to attack, it opens its mouth. That's when you know that it's going to attack. Yeah, so we left this place because it was raining, and we decided to go to the center where the lake is, Lake Mburo. So at the lake, we didn't see any animals actually, apart from Pumbaa. Yeah, it rained and we missed some of the animals. We didn't get a chance to see the giraffe and many other animals because they were hiding away from the rain. But I'm glad that we saw the ones that we saw. So let me take you guys around to this place so that you can see the lake, and then you can see the boat as well. This is the boat where they take you around to see like the surrounding areas if you're interested, and if you're not, you don't have to board it. Yeah, so yeah, let's enjoy the video. So we heard voices of hippos and we decided to go and look for them, but unfortunately they were very far, so we didn't get a chance to see them. That is how we lost that. Yeah, so as I was taking this view, I saw Pumbaa and I was so excited. I was like, I have to get close to him. Let me tell you guys what I learned about Pumbaa. Pumbaa forgets so fast. He could be chased by a lion, and then in the middle of it he forgets that he is being chased, so he stops running, and that's how he ends up eaten. That is Pumbaa, my friends. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to comment down below which was your favorite animal. I love you guys so much. Adios. Mwah. Bye.